I'm back from the market. I'm gonna do a massive haul of what I got. I'm just taking the trash out, so I'll be right back. Okay, hi, I'm back. Look at these flowers. I'm gonna do this as a little combination, I think, and then these. I think it's kind of pretty. So this is everything I got. We got chips, so many peaches and plums and nectarines, almond butter, tomatoes, almonds. I did a bolognese, a ricotta, burrata, and then prosciutto, hummus, berries, and then some onion, and then tons of pastries that I'm gonna put in here. Slow start to my morning. I was watching Argo. I started it last night and had to finish it this morning. It's so good. I can't believe that's a real story. It's an incredible film. Anyway, I have some things I need to get organized. So I'm going tomorrow to Tulum for a work trip with Makeup Forever, which is really cool, really exciting. So I have a lot to unpack. I kind of brought everything I had downstairs up in this big bag. Put everything where it needs to go, get organized. That's kind of the plan. Share this with you. This has been like my new hyper fixation breakfast. Take a cassava flour tortilla. I get it really crispy on the pan so it turns into like a chip consistency, and then I do avocado, arugula, turkey bacon or deli turkey or whatever you like, and then an egg on top. It's so good, and then it's crunchy and it's just basically let this just kind of toast on there in some olive oil spray. for as long as you think necessary until it's getting crispy and yummy. I'm gonna make it with some turkey bacon. We're on the plane.
Did you bring your makeup product?
Yeah.
But you used it. Do you have two?
I have 2. You got one of the samples?
Yeah, I know. I brought it.
Yeah, I brought mine. We're so excited. It's so hot. We have dinner at 7. See you then. Okay, this is the entrance to the room. It's really cute. Bella and I are sharing a bed. I'm so excited, like we're little kids. And isn't that bomb? They left us a little...
It's humid.
Cheese and wine. Wine and cheese. The view is so beautiful. Then you have the shower. Also with a beautiful view. Bathroom. And then that's where the toilet is. And that full room. It's perfect. We just put cooler clothing on and we're going to get Mediterranean. Cloudy, but I can feel the heat through the door. Good morning, Tulum. Look at that view. Good morning. I don't remember if I showed you this. We have like a hot tub on our balcony. We're already supposed to leave tomorrow, so I'm kind of considering just extending for 1 or 2 days because it's just like a very fast trip and I kind of wanted to get some more like content for a project I'm working on that I brought here. So the camera was very foggy outside. I filmed a whole bit, but I don't think any of it really is going to be usable because you can't see anything. So today the plan is I have breakfast with the other girl that's here doing the makeup panel with me and then one of the team members. So I'm gonna go to breakfast with them in like an hour and just I think like catch up for the panel, and then we have the panel at 3 today, which will be nice, and then we leave tomorrow, but I'm thinking about maybe extending the trip by like a day or something. I think I might go to the gym right now. Are you down?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go to the gym. This is my beach bag I got in Italy, in Puglia. Okay, we're going to the gym. Bella and I have very different skin types, so I'm in the sun and she's in the shade. You look gorgeous. I do. We're chilling by the pool. We just ordered some tacos and margaritas. And yes, I do have to speak on a panel, but when in Rome. I'm rushing off to the panel I'm speaking on. Hopefully the car is Sorry, Bella didn't come with me, so I barely got YouTube footage, blame her. And we just finished the panel and it was really lovely. And now, hey guys, don't mind me. Now I'm going to find my sister because she ditched me. But this is the look. Cheers. Morning. So nice. It's gonna be a nice day. It's already sunny.